Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into iCloud. COM or opening settings on an Apple device already signed into the Apple ID you scheduled for deletion. Once signed in, go straight to Account Settings or Manage Account and look for the Deletion Request banner. Cancel options appear only there. You need your trusted device nearby to receive a verification code. If you have an Apple Care case number or request ID, keep it ready because support will ask for it later to verify identity and the pending deletion. Now verify your identity by entering the two-factor authentication code sent to your trusted device or phone. This step proves you control the account. Once verified, find the active deletion request in Account Settings and tap Cancel Deletion. Don't refresh the page mid-process. You might be asked to re-enter your Apple ID password to confirm. After confirmation, wait for the on-screen message that the cancellation succeeded. This updates Apple's backend and prevents the scheduled permanent erase. Finish by checking your Apple ID email for a cancellation confirmation. That email is your proof the deletion was stopped. If you don't receive confirmation or the cancel action fails, immediately contact Apple support, provide the request ID or case number, and show two-factor evidence from your trusted device. If you are locked out and can't access 2FA, start account recovery. Make sure you understand it can take several days. Keep calm and keep your proof handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.